Hi, my name's Tom. I'm getting ready for work and I work in an office where I wear a sports coat, a nice shirt, nice pants, and nice shoes. Now that I'm getting a little older, I've been wearing dress shoes for about 30 years now, and I'm finally getting to the point where dress shoes are just incredibly uncomfortable. They're warm. I don't like walking in them. I have a lot of walking around to do. So a couple months ago, I went ahead and got these. This is a Bruno Marc. This is a comfortable dress shoe, and I thought, well, what the heck, I'll just take a chance on this. They are exactly as everyone says. They are a comfortable dress shoe. They're essentially a sneaker or a tennis shoe in the form of a dress shoe, and they look really nice. They feel really great. So let's first talk about looks. One, they actually are perforated on top and the sides and even in the back. So there's a little bit of breathability in there. It is still a closed dress shoe, but it's a little bit of breathability. They're a little cooler than regular shoes. Secondly, from a style standpoint, they have a black sole. That's nice. They are a little bit thicker in the heel. They have this gray line here, which actually kind of adds a modern look to them. Traditional dress shoes are typically one color, but now they've been starting to spice them up a little bit. You'll see all sorts of different two-tones and different materials and different colors. So these do not stand out any more than they might normally. They are very comfortable. They have a nice little heel in the back. This little heel cushion on the back actually kind of helps your heel kind of slide in, as well as kind of keeps it from getting scratched. So the back of dress shoes are sometimes this hard leather rim. This does not have that. This has a little padding back there. That's actually really nice as well. They do come in different colors. This is the straight black. That's just what I went with. Walking around with them, people don't actually notice that I'm wearing tennis shoes. I have worn them again for about almost 3 months now. Not a single person has ever once commented on them. A couple of people have said, hey, nice shoes, and that's it. But no one has said, hey, are they sneakers? Are they comfortable? They look like dress shoes. They just naturally look like that. When you're walking, when you're dressed up, it's fine. I do also want to say, though, these could also work in a kitchen. So if you're in a kitchen area where you need some black tennis shoes, or maybe you work in retail, you do a lot of standing all day long, the cushion in these things, the comfort level of these things is on par with a regular tennis shoe or a sneaker. It's not like a regular dress shoe where you have that kind of that flat wood bottom. They are much more comfortable and they're much more supportive. I really, really enjoy these shoes. A couple other quick things. One, they are laced, so you can lace them, you can tighten up a little bit. Sizing is pretty much true to size. I wear about a 12 and a half, 13. These are 13s, and they fit fine. They actually have room. I have some arch supports that I sometimes wear. They are big enough that I can go ahead and put those in, and they're comfortable. The bottom of them is rubber, so there's a little bit of a grip to these things as well. So if you need to run a little bit or walk in these things, they do have some grip, much more so than dress shoes. I have noticed that dress shoes are typically slick. They have that kind of a flat bottom, and anything wet, anything salty, anything icy, even in a kitchen area where you have some damp or humidity, all of that stuff is slippery. These are not slippery. They will get some traction. They will stop you. You can feel the difference. I feel more secure walking through damp or wet environments with these as opposed to my old dress shoes. So overall, yeah, these are comfortable. They look great. I love this brand. I'm going to look at Bruno Marc for other ones as well. I just really, really like the brand. I'm a fan now. I was a little skeptical, wasn't sure. Yes, believe it, they really are one of the most comfortable dress shoes I've ever seen. They've held up pretty well so far. So yeah, I highly recommend these. These are great.